I've just finished doing a shoot for the ICC World 2020, all the lights around me, lots of people around me. But what it's done is, it's got me thinking on all the various teams that are going to be playing the tournament. And everyone's going to talk about the Asian teams. Sri Lanka has just won the Asia Cup. Pakistan have that X factor about them, X, Y, Z, every factor about them. India, well, we're not quite certain, but everyone thinks about the Asian teams there. I'm very excited about one other team, and so I'm going to talk about them today. I think they are the team to follow the ICC World 2020 with. Now let me tell you why. They've got a seam bowling all-rounder who bats in the top three. They've got an opening batsman who's in the test match form of his life, but who's a brilliant T20 cricketer. They've got one of the world's best fielders who bowls off breaks and bats in the top six. They've got a tough keeper who bats at 7. They've got a bowling all-rounder who's won matches with the bat, batting at number 8. Then they've got two seamers, both of whom bat. They've got a fast bowler who's terrorized the world at the moment. Who am I talking about? You must have guessed. Shane Watson bats in the top 3. David Warner's in the form of his life. George Bailey is one of the finest T20 batsmen going around. Glenn Maxwell is a gun fielder. He can hit the stumps from anywhere. He changes a match with the bat. He can give you 2 overs with the ball. I was talking about Brad Haddon. There's James Faulkner. He bats at number 8. He'll bowl 4 overs. He's a very good death bowler. Nathan Coulter-Nile, Mitchell Starc. They can all bowl. Mitchell Starc is a fantastic bowler. They can both bat and score runs at the death. There's Mitchell Johnson. And there's 2 other players that I want to talk about. One is Brad Hogg. He's a left-arm wrist spinner, and hardly anyone picks left-arm wrist spinners these days. And the Australian selectors have gone out on a limb, and they've picked Brad Hodge. Brad Hodge is 40 years old. You don't pick people 40 years old in a young man's game, right? When you say 2020, it adds up to Brad Hodge's age. But why have they picked Brad Hodge? He has been a fantastic player in the IPL. He finishes games. He's still a very fit fielder, and his experience of playing on the subcontinent will come in very handy. So add all these together. Remember, there will not be a single slow fielder in the side. Interesting, I was talking to John T. Rhodes recently about fielding in T20, and he said if each player saves 1 run, then you've got a contribution of 10 runs. That's absolutely vital in a T20 game. So put all these together, and I think Australia, the team that approached the first T20 World Cup as a bit of a hit and a giggle, they just turn up to have fun, I think they're ready to go the distance. If you want to stay up to date with all my video blogs, hit the subscribe button.